It's time to get serious about your affiliate marketing business. What if you could come up with a perfect affiliate product that sells over and over again, making you a nice chunk of change 24 hours a day? Finding the right affiliate products to promote is not always easy. The good news is, there are literally tons of products available for you to choose from. Use these tips to narrow down your choices. Many people overlook the power of the blog. Blogs aren't just for trading recipes anymore. They are an active and vital marketing tool that can reap great rewards for those who use them. By engaging your potential customers, you can show yourself as a knowledgeable seller who realizes the value of the consumer. If you want to make more money, diversify the products that you sell. You can find a selection of products that a particular niche would be interested in and then focus your advertisement towards this niche. Another option could be to reach out to different niches. Both of these methods have been proven and you should find what works best for you. If one affiliate program is not going well for you, then maybe you should try finding another affiliate program that fits your needs better. Not all affiliate programs work the right way. You should check out your favorite vendors to see if they have an affiliate program that you can try out. One way to increase revenue from your affiliate marketing programs is to incorporate them into the email communication that you have with faithful customers. If you send out regular newsletters or special offers via email, include a link to your affiliate's products. This is an unobtrusive way to increase the exposure your affiliates get to your customers and thus your potential profits. Affiliate marketing is a great tool for bloggers all over the world. It enables them to generate an income by linking to business sites that sell what they are blogging about. If you have a great site with enough traffic, an affiliate link can be just what you need to pay for your domain or even some extra pocket money. As you can see, a few techniques can help you choose affiliate products that you are really fired up about promoting. When something is near and dear to your heart, that comes through in every communication you make to your customers and the potential customers on your mailing list. It shines through in every video you write. Choose the right affiliate products for you, and watch your earnings go through the roof. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.